Drape the yarn over your index finger and middle finger and loop it once around both fingers as well, so that it makes an X in front of your fingers. Insert hook into this loop, pull the left yarn through. Rotate the hook to make a loop on hook. Yarn over and pull through the loop on hook. Slip off the magic ring. Now, left palm facing you. Hold the magic ring and loop the yarn once around your pinky, wrapping the yarn around your index finger with the magic ring facing you. Hold on the ring with your thumb and middle finger. Insert hook into the hole of the magic ring, yarn over and pull yarn through the hole. See to loops on hook. Yarn over and pull through to loops. So, this is one single crochet. Mark the first stitch with the stitch marker. Continue with 5 more single crochet. 3, 4, 5, 6. See 6 stitches. Hold the yarn tail and pull tight to close up the ring. Insert hook into the marking first stitch to work one slip stitch. We can put the yarn tail on hook while crocheting to hide it. Yarn over and pull through. Pull the first loop through the second loop. So, we finish round 1. Yarn over and pull through the loop on hook to work one chain stitch at the beginning. Insert hook into the first stitch, yarn over and pull yarn through. Yarn over and pull yarn through 2 loops on hook to work one single crochet. Mark this first stitch. Repeat single crochet to finish 6 single crochet of round 2. Now, we can see this is slip stitch and this is chain stitch. We need to skip these 2 stitches and insert hook into the marking first stitch to work one slip stitch. Now please flip inside to outside. And always keep this correct side facing you. Work one chain stitch and pull the yarn to leave a 4-inch long tail for sewing. Cut off the yarn and pull tight.